Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily change your Tesla Model Y hubcaps. This is a straightforward process that anyone can do at home with just a few basic items. First, let's make sure you have everything ready. You'll want some work gloves to protect your hands and a soft cloth to prevent any scratches. Always ensure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface for safety. Now, let's get to removing the old hubcaps. These are held on by several clips, so they require a firm pull. With both hands, grip the hubcap securely and pull it straight towards you. You might need to apply a bit of force, but don't worry, they are designed to come off. If it feels stubborn, work your way around the edge, gently pulling each section until all the clips disengage. With the old hubcaps removed, it's time to install your new ones. This step is even easier. First, locate the cutout on the new hubcap designed for the valve stem and align it with the valve stem on your wheel. Once aligned, place the hubcap over the wheel. Then, press firmly on the center of the hubcap until you hear and feel all the clips snap securely into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Great job! You've successfully changed your Tesla Model Y hubcaps. As a final step, walk around your vehicle and double-check that all 4 hubcaps are firmly in place. For ongoing care, cleaning them regularly with mild soap and water will keep them looking their best. Some owners also like to add a thin strip of protective tape to the inner edge of the hubcap to prevent any minor rubbing against the wheel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.